Hello traders, welcome to another gold price prediction video. So in this video we are going to draw some level on gold chart and check how gold is behaving and how we can expect from gold chart to behave in upcoming trading session. And also I'm going to analyze the previous movement of gold on 4-hour time frame chart and check how we can analyze those previous movement in coming trading session, and how we can utilize those movement in coming trading session. So actually those who have been following me in my recent uh, prediction video for gold, they knows that I am totally bearish for gold from last 1 week, and most of the prediction comes true. But yesterday that those video that I uploaded recent time, I predicted that gold might fell from 1 4 at particular this level 1748 level. So I was predicting that gold might uh, you know break out this level, that is at current 1750 level, and we are analyzing that gold might fall to 1724 and then 1700 level. But the prediction of that video is not up to our expectation, and we faced a stop loss of 8 point. So the last video prediction is not accurate as per my prediction, but most of the recent uploaded video, those prediction was pretty accurate. And what I am expecting to gold behave in coming trading session, I will discuss in this video. So if you want to check the complete video, then you have to check and complete all the video till the end. So to analyze the previous movement of gold, we have to roll back to previous trading session for gold. So I'm going to draw some level, and you have to check what I am trying to analyze from those level, and you can also enter on those position. But you have to basically use your money management to get proper output from any strategy. So this is a purely price action based strategy. So what I'm going to draw, you have to check those. So let's start from here. So we are on 4-hour time frame chart, and let me just quickly draw some price movement of gold. So firstly I'm going to draw the trend from this point. So as you can see, let me just quickly change the color of this rectangle so that you will get a better idea. So as you can see, gold previously trading in let me just switch to arrow. So as you can see, gold previously trading in consolidation zone from you can roughly draw this rectangle from 8th July, and after breakout of this channel, you can see that gold started falling and touch at 17, or you can say at 1677 level, which is a 52-week low line. So this is basically a 52-week low line for gold. So after breaking this consolidation zone, as you can see, in the gold tried to break out this consolidation at this point, but failed to break out those channel, those movement, and fell to this level. So this is the movement own consolidation part. So what happened after this? Actually, after this, let me draw another channel. If you look closely at this level, so in this parallel channel, as you can see, gold tried to trade in uptrend, and after breakout the channel, gold start to fell, and then what happened here? As you can see that after falling from this uptrend channel, gold traded in consolidation zone for some time, and then it started falling down from this channel. And if you look closely at this particular price movement at this level, there is no big movement in either upside or either downside trend. So what yes, but you can check at this level that gold try to break out, or you can say we can expect this as a false breakout. So let me just draw another channel, so you will get a particular level for this. Yes, so as you can see, so currently gold is in consolidation zone. As you can see from this chart, the scalper and day trader can also trade accordingly from movement in this channel, but it is not safe for big player or big investor to trade in either long entry or in, you can say, in short entry. So what I am expecting, that gold might retest uh, this level that is at around 1800, and I'm still thinking that if gold is in uptrend, that then it might bounce from this consolidation zone and retest this for buyers. But those who are in selling side and they want to take sell entry, I am expecting that gold might retest this zone or this parallel channel line that is at around 1700. Let me draw a line, so path, then you can get an idea that what I am expecting to trade with gold. Actually, I am expecting that gold might touch this level in coming trading session, and then it fell to this level again. So I am still looking for a sell entry at this particular time period. It recently failed to break out this channel, but I think it might retest upper line of this channel, that is at 1778 or 1777 level, roughly you can say that, and it might fall from this level. So I am still bearish for gold and expecting gold to trade in this particular direction. So I'm going to enter at 1788 or 1777 level, and then wait for gold to trade up to 1740 or 42 levels. So this is my gold technical analysis for mid-term basis. So I will trade gold accordingly, and will update you about this strategy in coming video. So you have to check my upcoming video to get the result from this video. And those who want to take entries according to my strategy, they can join the Telegram channel from the description box. Thank you.